Another important principle in designing a Redux store is normalization, which basically means we should not duplicate data in our store. Here's an example. In this structure, we have some duplication because we have repeated this object in 2 places. If the user updates the name of this project, then we have to update multiple places in our store. Now, what if we have this project object in a few other places in our store? Then we have to update all those places as well. As you can see, this can get messy pretty quickly. If we don't update every instance of this project, we'll end up with inconsistent data in our store. Also, updating nested structures can get a bit complex. We have to write more code. So we should aim to keep our data structure as flat as possible. In this case, we can get rid of this nested structure and replace this project object with the project ID. Now we have a flat structure. There is no nesting. So here we have the ID of the project. We could also call this property project ID. That's better. It's more explicit. So each bug tells us the ID of its project. If we need to know more about this project, we can always look it up in the project slice. So this is normalization in action. By normalizing data, we get rid of duplicates and connect related data using identifiers. As simple as that. Now, chances are in your application, you might be consuming an API that returns denormalized hierarchical data. In that case, you can use this library to normalize your data. It's called Normalizer. It's really easy to use. Just follow the documentation. You have to write a couple of lines of code to normalize your data. So this is all about normalization. Next, we're going to talk about selectors.